It's a new 2019 Jeep Cherokee. From rough trails to downtown nightlife, this Jeep Cherokee handles it all with the perfect combination of grit and grace. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, remote engine start, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. Experience the Jeep life. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.